This is an introduction to Zoom. This video teaches 3 basic skills for the first day of class. Every day when you go to a Zoom meeting, you need to do your 3 basic skills. Turn on your video, turn on your audio, and rename yourself. Let's talk about skill 1 and 2. Turn on your video and turn on your audio. When you open the Zoom link, you are going to have a choice here to join with video or join without video. You need to choose join with video. That way we can see your smiling face. Next, you have a choice to join with computer audio. You should click this button. When you click this button, it means that Zoom can connect with your headphones and microphone so that you can hear the people in the meeting and they can hear you. Now, I can see from this picture that my video is on, and I can see that my audio is on because there's no little note here in the corner, but there's a problem with this picture, right? The name says Jonathan Bates. Well, this woman's name is not Jonathan. My name is not Jonathan. And you can imagine if I was sitting with my class with 25 other people and my teacher saw my picture with this name, she would be very confused. And I think my classmates also would not learn my name. And that's kind of sad. So, how do we solve this problem? We need skill number 3, rename yourself. To understand this explanation, you should know this English word. This little arrow that we use on a computer is called a cursor. A cursor. For example, when I have a black screen, you can see my cursor. I can move my cursor to the right. I can move my cursor to the left, move my cursor up, fast or slow, etc. This little arrow is called a cursor. So when we're in this situation and I want to fix my name, I have to take my cursor and put my cursor over my picture. And when I move my cursor over my picture, this is what happens. 2 little buttons, blue buttons, come up in the corner. The first is a button, and the second, with this dot, 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 is actually a menu. So what I need to do to fix my name is to click on this little menu. And then this big menu will open up and I have a lot of choices here. Can you see the choice that I need? You're right, it's rename. What happens when I click rename? I come here, I can write any name that I want. So please change to your correct name. And most teachers say, use your first name. Don't use your last name because it will be a little bit long. So just use your first name so that your teacher and classmates can know who you are. Then click OK. And yay! My name is correct. So before I let you go, let's practice for just a moment. There's 3 exercises for solving problems. When you look in this class and you see my picture up here, what's my problem? Well, the video is off. And that's a problem because in class we need to see each other's faces. So if I say the video is off or the video is stopped, it means I'm in this situation where my picture is black, and that is not good. So if my video is stopped, I need to move my cursor on top of my picture. Then this menu will appear. I should click on the blue menu and then click Start Video. And what will happen? Now my picture is not black. Now you can see me working and talking and listening. So that's the solution to the first problem. Now we can see you. Here's another problem. Take a look here. This lovely lady has a problem in her home. Your dog is barking. there's too much noise. And so when there's a lot of noise in your house, then we can't hear the teacher, we can't hear the other students who are speaking. That's a big problem. So what's the solution? Well, you need to mute yourself. Mute means that you're completely quiet. So you need to change your setting on your computer so that you're completely quiet and the class cannot hear your noise. Again, you move your cursor on top of your picture, click this little menu, and the big menu comes up. Can you see what I need to click? Did you say this? Mute my audio. And if you click mute my audio, this little microphone which is crossed appears. That means that your sound is off. And that is the setting that you want most of the time in your class, especially when the teacher is talking. If you want to talk again, you can always go back and unmute your audio when you're ready to talk. So when you press mute, the whole class says, now it's quiet again. That's the end of this presentation. I hope that helps you in your first Zoom class. Good luck, everybody.